I am Linda Bergeron and I work for CPHR Alberta. Currently, I am working on our 2020 PD calendar for all 7 chapters of in Alberta, actually, for all of our events. We are looking to obviously look at alternative ways to provide some events to our members, so including more webinars and doing more live streaming. But I currently actually just finished our HRC West Case competition, which is our HR case competition in Edmonton. I had 20 schools from Alberta as well as BC that came to participate. So that's one of my biggest ones that I just finished. Challenges is it in attendance. I think there's a lot of competition right now in regards to different events that people are offering, and so I think getting those attendance numbers are always a struggle, just because of the different events that are happening, and also just conflicts, right? People have busy schedules, and we're kind of not always on the priority list for everyone. So yeah, I think a lot in design and different things that you can do, especially around technology. I think is a big one right now.